What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the website. My name is Dr. Vincent Esposito, and welcome to our virtual cooking lessons. And I'm really excited to get started on these because I like putting information into action. One of the struggles I've seen as a practitioner is teaching the concepts of good nutrition, but I feel like sometimes there's always a roadblock into how to implement it. I know personally, I have people joking with me all the time saying that I just eat salads when that is absolutely not the case. The reality is you could have food that tastes great and is absolutely fantastic for your health as well. You just need to know where to start. And this is where I hope these classes can bridge the gap for you. So if you want to make meals that taste great and are great for you, if you want to learn how to build sustainable, healthy habits, if you want to be more confident in your cooking skills, and you want to become healthier in the long term, then this is what you're looking for. So if you're interested, check out the information on this website and feel free to join our community so we can all cook and make the world a happier, healthier place.